Meantime, here in Connecticut, more people are likely to die from an unintentional drug overdose than from a car accident. This is all according to Connecticut's Department of Public Health. Fox 61's Margot Farrell has more on these latest statistics.
3,090. That's the number of suspected drug overdose emergency room visits there have been in Connecticut from January to April of this year.
These people are ending up in our emergency rooms, and so we need to be doing the most that we can for them when they're there.
Here's a look at the numbers by county. Hartford County saw 1,021 overdoses. New Haven County saw 907, and Fairfield County coming in at 416, just to name a few.
It's crazy to know that that is the people that overdose. Imagine the number of people that are taking an almost overdose. So, I mean, it's just out of control.
These numbers now prompting officials to take a look at the information that's been gathered through a system that was put in place by the Department of Public Health.
This is the system that's used to gather information from all of the emergency rooms so that the epidemiologists can identify what's going on, where's it coming from, and figure out how best to intervene and stop it.
This system was paid for by the Center for Disease Control and Prevention in the fall of 2017, trying to combat an epidemic that's plaguing both the country and our state.
We had over 1,000 deaths in 2017. We have 2.5 people dying every day from opioid overdoses. So this is an epidemic, and the Center for Disease Control and Prevention has declared this an epidemic a number of years ago. And so treating it like one is really important. And I think the state of Connecticut is actively engaged in addressing this problem.
DPH says it plans to offer additional training to community partners this summer based on these latest findings.
People are not realizing how dangerous these drugs are, and they need to educate themselves, and everything starts at home, educating your kids and starting from young.
It's something that needs to be dealt with. We need to come up with some sort of solution.
If you're interested in finding out more about the opioid problem and resources available in our state, you can visit fox61.com. Reporting in Hartford, I'm Margot Farrell, Fox 61 News.